Hey guys, what's going on? So today I want to show you this quick drop 2 move in the key of C. It's built around diminished chords, but we're playing them using drop 2 voicings. Alright, so before we get into that, we're going to do a quick recap. What are drop 2 chords and how you play them. If you have a 4-note chord like this, we're taking the second note from the top. The second note from the top is G, and what do we do with this G? We're putting this G in the left hand, and that's it. If you're playing a minor chord like this, we're taking the second note from the top, 1, 2, which is G again. What do we do with this G? We put it in our left hand. If it's a diminished chord, same thing, second note from the top, 1, 2, F sharp, put it in our left hand. If we're playing a 3-note chord like this, the middle note, you don't have to say second note from the top, just say the middle note. We put it in our left hand right here. If it's a minor chord, left hand. If it's an inversion like this, left hand. So you can simply say for 3-note chords, drop 2s are pretty much inversions, but they are a different way. They are a different way to voice those inversions, right? So now let's get back to that passing move, that quick move. So this move is taking you to the 6. And it's pretty much this, but we're gonna make these 4 chords drop 2s. So this first one, second note from the top, it's a diminished chord, it's a 4-note chord. We do that. So this is how we convert that chord to a drop 2. And what I like to do to make this sound way better is add slides. So when I'm playing this chord, I like to slide the outer notes like this one, the A flat to the A. Alright, so that's the first chord is complete. Now the second one, you need to convert this to a drop 2 as well. So the second note from the top is A. Perfect. So now I like to add slides here as well. In the right hand, I'm sliding from the B flat to the C. And in the left hand, I slide also, but from the G to the A. You could also slide from the A flat to the A, but I think a tone slide from the G to the A sounds cleaner to me, sounds better. So that's the second chord. So we have this, and now this, and now we're going to the third one. We need to convert this to a drop 2. So now we're going to take the second note from the top. We're left with this. This A flat has to go somewhere. We're going to put it here. So now we have this. Now we're going to slide this B flat to the B. Alright? And now for the final chord. This one. How would you form this or convert this to a drop 2? If you said you're going to take the third note from the top and put it in your left hand, you'd be so incorrect. To form the drop 2, we're taking the second note from the top, the B, and we're putting it here. And I like to slide here from the C sharp to the D, and I also like to do a tone slide here from the A to the B. You could also do from the B flat to the B, but I prefer the tones, right? So in total we have this, 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 this. Now we're on the 6. Now how would you actually apply this to a real song? Let's say I love you forever, I love you, or never would have made it, never. Let's go again. Never would have made it. 6. Or as the deer panted. So that's how we would do that right there. So again, we have this chord, we have that chord, we have that one, and we have that one, and it takes us to the 6. So guys, give this quick move a shot. And if you're still stuck playing basic chords and you need help, you're tired of the way how you sound, you need guidance, but you don't know how to move forward, I have created my Gospel Piano Inner Circle just for you. It is structured from the beginner level to the intermediate level up to the advanced level. And I'm in there every day, and I'm here to work with you step by step to get you to the place you want to get to. So if you want to join my inner circle, click the link in the video description below and let's get started. So until next time, guys, keep on learning.